friends, once again you all are welcome in my channel. Today video is going to be a very informative and it is based on the topic of interview tips. How job is one of the thing that everybody wants, and they want a good job for their safe and secure future. And I found most of the time, and I have been in a board of several companies where we are taken interview of several students. So I have a privilege of attending several interviews also. So but while giving an interview, some there are I found many of the fellows, they lose their confidence and they are not so much, they don't know how to appear in an interview, and motivate me to make a video on this topic. So I designed I made this video only to help those students who are just completed their UG, either they are from BCA, BTech or any field. So how to appear in a interview, let us see in this video. And definitely these tips that I am going to give you in this video will be very helpful for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. And if you like this video, just like, subscribe and share my channel. So let us start. Actually, job interview is one of the most important things for the job seeker. If you go for an interview, you must be well prepared. This is because you do not get the second chance, mind it, and you will not get a second chance. Like in a war, if you defeat, then you get defeated. You will not given a second chance to win it again. Like that, in when you appearing for an interview, you will get a chance, and that chance is your last chance for that particular job interview. So be careful to make a great first impression. Here I provided you some suggestions to improve your interview skills. So let us begin. Number one is a practice for good non-verbal communication. The non-verbal communication is used to demonstrate confidence. You should follow these instructions strictly. Number one, stand straight. This is a very important. You should not be like a hazy style. You should be stand straight. That shows your confidence. Make eye contact while answering. Yes, this is again a very important tip. You should have a complete eye contact with the interviewers, and it should not be like you are daring him. You should be like in a polite sense. You should have a eye contact, complete eye contact that reflects your confidence. In fact, make a firm handshake. Firm handshake, it doesn't mean you pressed the interviewer's hand more tightly. It should not be too loose. It should be firm, so that also reflects you are well prepared for the interview and feel confident that I told you. Confidence is one of the thing that wins half of the your interview. Your confidence, sometimes the people don't have so much knowledge and so much skill, but still their confidence will help them to crack that particular interview. So this is the first tip. Let us move towards the next second tip. That is dressing sense. Yes, most of the time I found most of the people, they don't follow the dressing sense and dressing rules. They go into more casual dresses, which sometimes put very bad effect on the interviewer. So be careful. Power dressing is very important to impress the interviewer. It also improves your confidence level also. If you are properly dressed, then that will give you a internal motivation and internal confidence to crack that interview. And it is better for you to find out company dress code before going for an interview. Yes, if that company has certain dress code, so you should have to be follow that. If you somehow came to know this is the dress code, they have to wear the tie or whatsoever, so you have to be be careful while for dressing sense while giving an interview. So move towards the next one. Very important, and listen carefully. This is very important. Sometimes what will happen when the interviewer asks you a question and you deliberately ask him pardon, or you ask me to repeat the question again. So from the beginning of the interview, you should listen to each and every word of the interviewer very carefully. If you are not listening properly, you are missing an opportunity to impress him, because sometimes there is an hidden answer in the question already. Sometimes this is a trick basically. The interviewer asks you a question with the answer in itself, and if you are not listening the question well, so that will put a bad impression on the interviewer and you will lose a chance to get selected in the company. So you should improve your listening power, and for this I'll advise you to go and listen some sort of interviews which are already available on the net. You Google it, you will find it very easily. So listening is again a very important tip. So move toward the next. Very important. Don't talk too much. It is not a good practice. It is not a good practice to speak unnecessarily. Sometimes some students they become so much frankly, they talk about anything which is not relevant to the interview. So you answer, and if to a particular point whatsoever question is asked to you, you need not to be talk about more. Just equally balanced answers you should have to given, and speak less about your point. One thing which is to the point. Second one is don't ramble. Ramble means you must be well prepared to avoid this situation. Means don't repeat it again and again, and don't go around about a particular theme or sentence. That will put you in a problem. Focus on your strong skills. Yes, this is very important. You have to focus on your strong skills. Whatsoever strong skills you have, you have to be focused on. If you are good in simulation, or you are good in synthesis, or you are good in programming, you should have to focus on that, and try to give the answer particularly relevant to the your strong skills. And speak appropriate sentence. This is very important. Don't speak too much with connecting verbs like and, so, what. Please, this is a very important. Don't talk too much. This is a very important tip. Now move towards the next one. The fifth one, don't to be too familiar. This is very important. All interviewers like to talk in professional manner. You should not try to make a false familiar atmosphere. They are smart and catch all of your cunningness in just a minute. So don't try to be over smart and speak appropriately. So you sometimes they also go and mix with you, but you should have to be in your limit. You should not be talk so much of here and there. Otherwise this will put a bad impact to the interviewer, and they understand you within a minute how you are useful for the company or not, and your skills. So be careful about that. And sometimes what will happen, but what I found, generally when the interviewer asks that if you have certain question, most of the times I found the people say no, and they lose some opportunity. Actually you should ask question also according to the situation. It shows that you are listening properly and have a keen interest in the in the interview, and you are very very keen in getting that job. So asking question also gives you an opportunity to find a right place for you in the company. This is very important. Many times we ask the students, if you have any questions you please ask, and 90% we found the answer no, we don't have any questions. If you carefully given your interview, you should have certain sort of what kind of you should have some points came to in your mind. So you should have to ask them to the interviewer, but not the questions. It should be like, You may ask the most of the common questions. I'll tell you. You may ask, can you please describe the responsibility of the position? You may ask for the JD. What is the job description? And if you get selected, what the job profile they are going to give you? You may ask that. What are the biggest challenges of this job? You may ask this question also. Is this a new position in your in the company? You may ask this question also. Can you please describe the company management style? Or what are the prospects for the growth? If I want to extend the job offer, how soon would you like me to start? Means how much time they can extend it for you. So these are certain questions you may ask, but don't ask the interview question like, did I get this job? Don't ask this, because if you get selected, definitely they will give you an offer. Don't ask them, because anyhow they can't this is a protocol of the HR. They can't disclose at the same time to you. And can I change my schedule if I get this job? It should be, question must be asked in a formal way rather than you are dictating them, and it is sometimes go wrong with you. If I get a job, can I take a vacation? This is very very silly questions. Till now you have not get a job, and you said, what about the leaves? What about this? This is something silly. You know, not to be asked them. So I hope these are certain key points which will help you out to get a good job and to crack your interview. I'll now at this stage I would like to talk about my own story. When we are at the time of our graduation in 2005, one company SCL will come to for a campus placement, and since a long time there is no company came, so every one of us, my all friends, they all are they are all looking for the jobs, and we are desperately we are looking for the job. So we got a chance to go for an campus interview at a pool campus. So we all 40 students went there, and we all it is a month, I still remember, it is a month of June, and the temperature outside is near about 42 degrees Celsius. And in the first round itself, we all went there with our coat and tie in our hand. Although we are just appearing for the first round, but still we are so much confident that we can crack it and go for the final interview round. And you got surprised, we all cracked the first round and come into the HR round. But since it is a Pune based company, so several of us get dropped it. But with my experience, I'm just tell you, your confidence must be one of the plays a first important role for getting your job. So you must be too much confident, not overconfident. You should be too much confident about your skills, particularly in aptitude and reasoning. I will also come up with some videos where I will tell you how to appear for the aptitude and the reasoning. There are certain tricks. I will in the future video I will disclose that also. So the whole concept is the major points that I am telling you, that dressing sense, your self-confidence, that listen carefully. These are the certain key points to get a good job in the reputed company and to crack your interview. I hope you like this video, and I will come up with the new videos very soon with some more innovative tricks. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you.